Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video I'm gonna show you how you can easily add a rolling film effect to your videos on CapCut. So here I've already opened a clips to my CapCut, and the rolling film effects can easily be found on the video effects. So I'm going to just go ahead to the video effects. So after that, you can just go to the retro category, click on this. Then the rolling film effect can easily be found in this. So there are actually lots of film effect that you can use. There is one on pro version, and also there is one in a free CapCut version. So this is the example of the pro version. But if you want to use the free one, you can just select the rolling film effects right here. So you can adjust the filter and also the speed of the rolling in here. For example, I'm going to make it slow like this, and after that you can just click on the check icon and you are done. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks button. Thank you.